Hi guys, and welcome to Cardmaking with Crystal. Today I'm showing you how to make a fractured card. Really amazing, clean and classic design. I just love it. I've been wanting to make a card like this forever, and I just decided this year to add it to my group of Christmas cards. It's so much fun to make. Let's make it. This is everything you need to make the fractured card. Let's get started. As usual, you're going to move everything aside and score a base card. This base card is 11 by 4 1/4 inches. We're going to score it at 5 1/2. Fold and burnish. And we're going to put it aside. What we're going to do now is design the top of this card. You have two squares. They are 1 3/4 and 1 3/16. I'm going to stick this directly on the square. And we're going to stick this a little further to the top of this card. I'm thinking to stick this 1 inch from the top. Yeah, I think that'll be great. And I also want to ensure that this is equal on these sides as well. So this is 3/4 inches. This is half. Let's move it across a little bit. So this is 7/8 and this is 7/8, right? Let's get that straight back. I'm going to leave this here to show me where we're going to put it. Let's design it using these. The first one I'm going to use is this. And then I'm going to use the glitter, right? So what I'm doing is I'm going to line this up so and stick it down just to the edge here where it is flush with this line here. So I'm picking this up and I'm putting glue. And we're going to stick this down like this. I'm going to turn it and stick the next one like so. Turn, and you're doing the same thing over and over again. I'm loving how this is turning out. Let's add the silver the same way. So it's going from here to here and then around. This is so beautiful. I'm going to cut off all the ends now. We're going to take this and stick it on a silver piece like this, where it looks like it's just going flush with the silver piece. We're going to stick this on this, and these are the inside. Add a cute embellishment, and there you have it. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this fractured card. Of course, as usual, it's an all occasion card. You just replace the sentiment and design a series paper and you're set. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.